In this video, I will show you how to top up your Lebara SIM card using a voucher. Open your phone's dialer, enter the following code star hash 1345 star. Now type in your 12 or 14 digit voucher number. After the voucher number, enter hash and then press the call button. You can also top up using My Lebara app. Just log in and follow the top up instructions. Or you can purchase a top up voucher or a scratch card from your local shop and follow the same dialing method. To be noted, entering the wrong voucher or scratch card number too many times may block your top up service. If this happens, contact Lebara customer service for help. That's it. You have now learned how to top up your Lebara SIM card using a voucher. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.